Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can manage subtitles appearance on Netflix. First of all, you have to open the netflix.com website on your browser and then move to the right upper corner and open account. Next, you have to scroll down, and if you want to adjust subtitles for the first profile, just click on this arrow, scroll down, find subtitles, click to change, and here we get the preview. So let's try to customize. We can, for example, pick large text size. We can add some background with the red color. I'm gonna skip the window. That's also the shadows. Maybe we can just get rid of them. And also that's the font that we can change. Let's stay with the block. And to save, you just have to click on this blue button. So as you can see, that's how you can adjust subtitles, that's how you can change font, add some background, or basically change the size. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.